everyone! Welcome! Have you ever embedded a video, a map, or any other external content using an iframe on your website, only to find it looks completely broken on a mobile phone? It often overflows, creating horizontal scroll bars and ruining your beautiful layout. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple, yet incredibly effective, trick using just a few lines of CSS and HTML to make your iframes perfectly responsive. Your embedded content will adapt beautifully to any screen size, from a large desktop monitor to the smallest smartphone. Let's dive in and fix those pesky non-responsive iframes once and for all. The core problem is that iframes typically have a fixed width and height. While this works fine on a desktop, on a smaller screen, that fixed size just doesn't fit within the viewport. It spills over the edges, leading to a terrible user experience. Our solution involves a clever CSS technique often called the aspect ratio box or padding hack. Here's how it works in simple steps. First, you will wrap your iframe in a parent container, usually a div. Let's give this div a class, for example, iframe-container. Inside this div, you will place your iframe tag with its src attribute pointing to your content, like a YouTube video link or a Google map. So, your HTML will look something like this: div class equals iframe-container iframe src equals your content link frameborder equals 0 allowfullscreen /iframe/div. Now for the crucial CSS part. We need to style both the iframe container and the iframe itself. For the iframe container, we apply these styles: position, relative, width, 100%, and overflow, hidden. The magic happens with padding bottom. This property creates vertical space relative to the container's width, which is key to maintaining the aspect ratio. For a common 16:9 aspect ratio, like most YouTube videos, you would set padding bottom, 56.25%. This percentage comes from dividing the height, 9, by the width, 16, and multiplying by 100. If you need a 4:3 aspect ratio, you would use padding bottom, 75%, 3 divided by 4 multiplied by 100. Next, we style the iframe itself, which is nested inside our container. We give the iframe these styles: position, absolute, top, 0, left, 0, width, 100%, and height, 100%. You can also add border, 0, to remove any default iframe borders. What this setup does is quite ingenious. The iframe container maintains its aspect ratio perfectly because the padding bottom value is always relative to its width. The iframe is then taken out of the normal document flow by position, absolute, and stretches to fill the entire space created by that responsive padding bottom. This ensures it always fits perfectly within its responsive parent. No matter how wide or narrow the screen gets, your embedded content will scale beautifully, looking crisp and contained. It's a widely used, robust, and browser-compatible method for responsive embeds. So there you have it, a simple and effective way to make your iframes responsive with minimal CSS and HTML. No more broken layouts or frustrated users on mobile devices. Your embedded content will now look professional on any screen size. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions, and share it with anyone who might benefit. Your support helps the channel grow. See you next time.